Richa Kumari, my batchmate M. Divya. We have done the project on the topic chopper controlled for voltage improvement and power quality improvement. This is three circuit we are considering. This is the power circuit, this is the controller circuit, and this is the microprocessor circuit. Now this thing we are considering is at three-phase line. This is the transformer from which we are giving supply to this three-phase line, and this is the microprocessor for giving the gate pulses and all. This is the heat sink for IGBT. These are also heat sink for IGBT. This is acting as AC chopper 1. This is acting as AC chopper 2. And this is used for current unbalance compensation, and this is used for voltage unbalance compensation. After giving the compensation, this motor what we are using, that is of 30 volt 0.5 amps. Before giving the compensation, if we run the if we run the motor, the speed of the motor will be very less. After we are giving the compensation, the motor will run with higher speed. If we on this switch, we will get current compensation. If there is some unbalance in the current, it will compensate for that. And if we on this switch, we will do the voltage compensation. Now I will show how the motor is running. See, the speed of the motor now is slow. If we give the compensation, it will start running fast. This is voltage compensation. That is what our project is. By doing this, we can do the compensation in the power transmission lines. We can do the compensation, current and voltage compensation in power transmission line. Before the existing project, whatever the things they are using, in that they are using VSI, voltage source inverter. In that we can do only voltage compensation. We can't do the current compensation. So the advantage of our project is we can do both current as well as voltage compensation. The few things what we are using in this these are the crystal oscillator, this is chocolate capacitor, this is also chocolate capacitor, these two are inductors, this is capacitor, these two are capacitor, and these resistors we have used to protect these heat sinks. This side also we have used the resistors for protecting this. So we can conclude our project by saying that we are doing both compensation, both current as well as voltage compensation.